Hello everyone. The next geometry in the sketching mode is the polygons. We have to select the polygon button from the toolbar and we have to click on the center of the polygon, and polygon will start drawing around the center, and whenever you next click it will be drawn. And there are some of the buttons available on the left side of the panel. This is the sides of the polygon. You can increase the sides of the polygon, and you can also decrease the sides of the polygon up to the 3. This is the minimum 3 sides of polygon, and 4, 5, and up to so on. It goes up to the 40 sides of the polygon. And here is the position of the polygon. On the x direction you can move left or right, or in the y direction on the positive y and the negative y. And this is the size of the polygon. This is basically the dia of the inscribed circle, and this is the basically the angle of the sides at which position you wanna adjust the angle of the polygon.